Oh yes, this is a hero's welcome. I just want to reconfirm, what we are looking at on our screens right now. If I'm not wrong, I think we'll be able to see one more. Okay, that is Bajrang Punia. Yes, it is. Bajrang Punia, his father earlier was Richa speaking to us on Republic, and someone asked him that how will you welcome him? So the first answer that he said is that मैं उसको दूध और दही दूंगा जो उसे सबसे ज्यादा पसंद है. So this is, I think, what these superstars are made of. Completely homegrown, such a modest background, Richa, with the kind of hard work I think that each one of them actually has put in. His entire village today has come out to welcome him. He's from Sonipat in Haryana, a state that actually does send in a lot of medal hopefuls to the Olympics. Bajrang Punia is also special for the kind of work he has done in the past, with the kind of agility that you have seen him actually also putting in. He picked up a bronze for India in the men's 65 kilogram category there. That reaction from Bajrang Punia himself in just a bit. He has just spoken to the media there, but he's the only Indian wrestler with 3 world championship medals to his name. Bajrang was a prime contender to be among the medals in Tokyo, but it was not an easy ride. We've seen that journey. We've seen the amount of hard work that he's actually also put in, and he actually scraped through his very first 2 contests. He was halted in tracks by Azerbaijan's Hadi Algiev in the semis. He's also a Rio 2016 bronze medalist in the 57 kilogram category. That actually did set Bajrang up for a bronze medal match later with the Kazakhstan grappler, who he almost lost to earlier in the 2019 World Championship semi-finals. But he did not show any signs of worry from the first day of competition. You have seen him extremely clear, extremely focused of what he wants to achieve. Right now, you see him riding in that open Jeep there with his tons of supporters who have come in today only and only to welcome him back. And he's picked up a hero's welcome, much like our other Olympic superstars. And the victory, in fact, that he picked up actually delivered India its 6th wrestling medal at the Olympics, Richa, that we have seen.
कई महीनों के बाद आए हैं यहाँ पे. ओलंपिक से पहले ही 2-3 महीने पहले चले गए थे और आज बड़ी खुशी हो रही है, मेडल के साथ लौट रहे हैं. और जी
नमस्कार. क्या आपने सोचा था कि इतनी गर्मजोशी के साथ
बिल्कुल जी.
All right, so more reactions, non-stop reactions are continuing to come in. I think we do see one more Team India member who right now is being surrounded by cameras, by fans. Everyone wants to hear how they feel on coming to a hero's welcome like they are receiving this time in the national capital. And this, remember, viewers, is just the beginning, because what we are building up to later is going to be a grand felicitation ceremony that is being organized by the Sports Authority of India. The Prime Minister will also virtually interact with each of our Olympic medalists, is what we are given to understand. Bajrang Punia earlier there, we are putting out that image once more, and I think...
धन्यवाद.